To make a magic ring, pinch the yarn tail towards you using your thumb and your pinky finger. Grab the working yarn and wind it backwards underneath your 3 fingers, then over at the front, crossing the strand earlier and making an X. Pinch the intersection using your thumb. Grab the working yarn again and wind it backwards one more time while turning your palm down, making a parallel line with the previous strand. Pinch the working yarn with your pinky finger to keep it in place. Insert your hook underneath the first strand and over the working yarn, pulling up a loop like this. Secure that loop by chaining 1. Pull your 3 fingers out of the ring and pull the tail out and behind. Chain 1 again. Single crochet into the ring. And place a marker on that first stitch. Make however many stitches you need, and for this example I'm going to make 5 more single crochets for a total of 6 into the ring. So here are 6 single crochets into the ring, and after this you can gently pull the ring close. So just pull it close like that. Slip stitch into the stitch where the marker is. So this is that stitch. And you have completed your magic ring. You can proceed according to your pattern.